So I just mowed the lawn. Looks pretty good. But look where I parked. Oh my, I'm in a greenhouse. And the tractor is covered under a roof. It's covered under a roof. So this wasn't too hard to do. I learned a couple things along the way as I was doing it, and I'm not quite finished because I still got to finish this last strip of roof. But yeah, the little plastic wavy things were pretty easy to put in place. And the other thing was I was going to use just a strip of liquid nails to connect seams together, but in my first two things as I tried it, the actual connection didn't happen the way I wanted it to. So I stopped doing it, and what I'm going to do is now after the fact come back through, find those little seeds